tracking how much I'm spending on APIs, we're just becoming an absolute pain. Like I'm using multiple API calls across different projects, mainly 11 Labs, DeepGram, OpenAI, Entropic, Exa. But I'm using those for like 6 different things. So I have to like go to OpenAI, see how much I'm spending on little ones, and then add that to what I'm spending on Entropic, add that to what I'm having on Exa. And not all of them even have project-based budget allocation. So I ended up just making my own tool where I could just go to my wallet, add as many dollars as I want. Let's just say we want to add $10 to our budget. Go to my dashboard, create a new project I'm working on. Let's say it's a stock market news summarizer. Apologies if there's any spelling errors. And I want to use Exa to fetch the news. I want to use OpenAI to parse through it, get rid of duplicates, and I want to use Entropic to summarize it for me. And I want to only spend $30 there. Give me an alert when it hits $5. And boom, now I have every API keys I want there. Just reduces the pain of having to put all the keys together, and managing the keys as well, reducing human error. Just gives you the env file, you just chuck it in your project. And let's say you forgot to add a database to save the news you're getting done. You just go to the API providers and add whatever else you want and you forgot to add. But yeah, the main thing for me is just like managing costs. Like I don't want to calculate that. It's like I want to just put this much of this project. Hit me up when it gets to that level. Anyway, couldn't find anything out there like it, so ended up starting to create it for myself. It just really helps me keep track of what I'm spending on what, and not go crazy. Hope you guys find it interesting too. Peace.